How to mirror your Android phone on Linux. Open a terminal emulator. Install the Scrcpy package. Enable developer options. This can be done by locating and clicking build number several times. Enter device PIN or password. Locate developer options and enable USB debugging. Connect one end of your USB cable to your phone and the other end to the USB port of your PC. Run the Scrcpy command. Allow USB debugging from your Android phone. Your Android phone will be mirrored to your PC.